Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix slow internet speed in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The first step is go to the start menu and type CMD. Right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on Yes and type ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. You can receive this message: successfully flushed the DNS resolve cache, and you can insert the second command net sh winsock space reset and hit enter. You can receive this message: successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Click on close and go to the start menu. To apply the change, restart your computer. Select the power up button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And the second step is go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Click on the reset now button. Your PC will be restarted. One click. And confirm in this button, click on yes, and you'll receive this pop-up. Click on close, and to apply the change, restart your computer. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Your problem has been fixed, and you can try open it up any web browser, for example Google Chrome. One click. And you can try open it up any video, or you can try visit any web page. For example, I search for Taylor Swift, and your internet works fine. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.